Hi, 63 products to be used up in 6 months' time. Let's see how I've done with my project plan goal in the month of July. July empties right here. First of all, the makeup. There are 2 makeup products this month. The first is a full lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. It's from Bourjois. It is the Rouge Edition Velvet. I'll link my review of this in the description box below. I've only reviewed it on my blog and not on my video channel. It's fully gone. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. So this is the first time that I've used up a full liquid lipstick. So very happy about that. And there's also an eyeliner. This is the Tarte Precision Longwear eyeliner. There's some, shading in there, but, for the major part, the pigment's gone. So just 2 makeup products this month. I have a cleanser. This is the Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser. All gone. Now, although this says foaming cleanser, the foam effect is actually from the pump mechanism and not, because of a sulfate or other harsh surfactant. It contains no sulfates. It does contain salicylic acid, which is ideal if you have acne. Very nice. Will I repurchase? I've got 3 or 4 of these already. So let's move to Acid Alpha Rage Liquid Gold Radiance. Contains ferulic acid as well. All gone. They've gone and discontinued this. This is my favorite product from the Liquid Gold family. Obviously, they've gone and discontinued it. They do have the original Liquid Gold, but not the one with ferulic acid. A huge pity that. So will I repurchase? I can't even if I want to. So now we have the Omorovitsa Queen of Hungary Mist. This is a 30 ml bottle, glass bottle. I love that bird Omorovitsa. Will I repurchase? I already have 2 full-size 100 ml bottles. I really love this stuff. It's great for, a pick-me-up, refreshing through the day. And, it's not greasy or anything. Absorbs immediately. Matte effect. Very nice. Doesn't break me out either. 2 serums. One is from Neogen, Korean brand. This is their Pore Aid Pore Refine Serum. And this is the Dr. Barbara's Hyaluronic Serum, which I got as a sample from a Cult Beauty goodie bag. Not a fan of either. I don't know, this one had a peculiar smell. Powder, baby powder smell, and I hated that. The hyaluronic acid, definitely nowhere near the Hada Labo hyaluronic acid. Won't be repurchasing either of those. 1 facial oil, my favorite. Pi Bioregenerate facial or rosehip oil. It's deep orange actually, and it's an absolutely brilliant facial oil. If you have acne, scarring, blemishes and so on, it sort of blurs them out a bit, which is really nice. Helps fade hyperpigmentation very quickly. Face masks, I've got 2 sample sizes that I used up, both from Omorovitsa. This is the Ultra More Mud Mask and this is the Deep Cleansing Mask. All gone. Will I repurchase? Without a doubt, they are the best pre-mixed clay masks I've used. Very luxurious. I have a full-size deep cleansing mask left. Moisturizer, Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Oil-Free Moisture Cushion. You had me at oil-free. I love this stuff. I've repurchased 2 of them already when Be Glowing last had a gift with purchase. 1 eye cream, Revive Anti-Aging Eye Serum. All gone. Hated it. Came in a Space NK gift with purchase. Hated it because, the color was very peculiar. It was the color of calamine. Lacto calamine. Believe it or not. That was how it looked. And I didn't like that on my under eye area at all. 1 sunscreen, L'Oreal UV Perfect Aquarescence City Face Mist. Went on transparent, which is quite rare for a sunscreen mist. Usually you'd have some whitish cast there. That was all very nice. However, 2 problems. 1, it left my face greasy. I used it up on my body as a result. Second, it is a chemical filter. So if you're not a fan of chemical filters, you want to avoid this. It is alcohol free though, and it's SPF 50. So maybe if you're dry skinned and you like, the good thing about SPF mist is that it becomes very easy to reapply even above makeup through the day. All you have to do is spritz, 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 spritz. So if you're greasy though, you want to avoid this. Bath and Body and Hair Bastide Figure that I'm probably mispronouncing this, sorry. Body wash, all gone. Smelled lovely, absolutely love it. Will I repurchase? I'm working towards stopping all body washes and moving towards bar soaps, better for the environment, less wastage there. I do have a hand and body lotion from Grace Cole. All right, it's all gone. So this one I really, really liked, and I also used it as foot lotion in the night. Very nice, lightweight for the summer, doesn't leave your hands feeling sticky and greasy during the night. One hair product, mane and tail conditioner. Don't ask me why I bought this. It was very, very thick. I got a sample in the Look Fantastic beauty box, and I thought, it was really thick, so I thought it would be very hydrating. It's very deceiving, although it's very thick, very, very thick. You turn the bottle upside down, nothing falls out. Right, this one is empty indeed. But although it is that thick, it's not very hydrating on my hair at least. I have dry, damaged hair. Not very nourishing, hydrating. Doesn't leave your hair feeling as soft and as moisturized as you would like. So won't be repurchasing that one either. So counting both face masks as one, I have finished 15 beauty products in the month of July. And I had 63 to go in 6 months' time. So that leaves me with 53, so 48 products to finish off from August till December. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out by hitting the subscribe button and by ringing the notifications bell. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll speak to you soon.